take them out.
You're right here.
We're at Home Depot right now, but I'm so fascinated. There's a bunch of birds. And look at that. Look at that. Oh my. Wow. Oh, wow. Wow. Thousands of birds.
It's a lot.
A lot of birds?
Yeah.
I know. Like I said, we're here at Home Depot and we're at the parking lot right now, and there's a bunch of birds right there. You guys see that right there? Do you see it, Rachel? It's right there.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Rachel. I'm happy to see you.
I saw your car.
Oh, yeah, I know.
The box next to your car.
Yeah.
Like parked here.
Yeah. Okay, let's
Look at
go.
that. Look at that.
Yeah, I know.
Bye.
Wait, I'm waiting for the bird. Again, there's again. Look, watch, Rachel. Wow. Wow.
There's like a million
Yeah, I'm going
birds.
inside.